Specialty coffee appliance, lightweight and portable, easy to store. Multifunctional electronic scale, press on-off, press tare, add 18 grams of coffee beans. Press tare, pour in the coffee beans and manually grind them. Place the filter paper. Pour in the coffee grounds. Press tare, switch unit from grams G to milliliters mLs. Pour in 50 milliliters of hot water. Press the timer button and wait for 30 seconds. Press tare. Slowly add water until it reaches 250 milliliters while starting the timer. The brewing process should take 3 minutes. Done.